Software refers to a set of instructions or programs that tell a computer or other electronic device what to do. It encompasses all the programs, applications, and data that are stored on a computer or other device. Software can be categorized into two main types. One is system software and other is application software. System software includes operating system, device drivers, and other tools that help manage run the computer. Application software, on the other hand, including programs designed for specific tasks such as word processing, spreadsheet management, video editing, gaming, and more. Software is typically created by computer programmers using various programming languages such as C++, Python, Java, and many more. Once the software is created, it is usually distributed in the form of executable files or installed from source such as CD, DVD, Internet, or download.